Each runner is scrutinized for its robustness and uniform size. This stringent quality control ensures
Is the mix consistent now?
Yes, it looks perfect. We can start filling the trays.
These pineberry plantlets are thriving in the propagation trays. As you can see in this time lapse, a new leaf rapidly.
This section is complete. The moisture levels are optimal.
Very good. We can proceed with the planting schedule.
The controlled liquid feed system ensures precise nutrient delivery. Clear fertilizer is injected into the
This practice is essential for preventing fungal issues and promoting vigorous growth, ensuring improved air circulation.
Makeup. ornamental. This close-up highlights the white strawberry, or pineberry, its pale cream color and striking red seed.
Look at how perfect these are. We've never had a harvest this good.
Absolutely incredible.
Secure the dock. We are ready to unload the pineberries.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady.
Initial inspection clear. Move them down the line.
An extreme close-up shows the gentle pre-wash air bath. The soft, controlled air system delicately. Optical sensors meticulously scan the white strawberries, diverting them into different channels based on size and quality. To preserve the delicate structure and unique flavor profile of the pineberry, we developed this innovative, protective packaging solution. Advanced automation ensures every package is sealed and labeled for complete traceability, preserving the delicate pineberries.
Make sure the softer ones go to the secondary chute.
Yes, prioritizing the ones for the juice.
Utilizing controlled warm tones, we highlight the pristine clarity of the white strawberry juice during the precise bottling process.
Pull it tight on your side now. Secure the top nut. Perfect. Let's get the seal on.
These are the fresh pine berries, a special white strawberry with a hint of pineapple flavor. Enjoy your breakfast.
I've heard about these, but I've never seen them fresh. They look incredible.
And the jam.
Man.
Imagine the possibilities.
Everything is all set. They look wonderful today.
Yes, perfect. Thank you very much.
This jam is absolutely delicious.
I know, the pine berries make it so fresh.
That is so refreshing after a long run.